Let's look at today's pattern and try to figure out what the last three numbers are going to be. So let's read it together. Ready? 10, 9, 8. What direction are we moving in today? If you said backwards, you're right. Look, the numbers are getting smaller. So that means our pattern today is moving backwards. Now, how many are we going backwards by? It's just one, because look, we're just going to the number right before the number we had. So let's read it again. 10, 9, 8. It's going backward by 1. What is it going backward by? That's right, 1. So let's figure out what number comes before 8. Think. What number? Did you say 7? If so, good job. All right, let's look at the next one. 10, 9, 8, 7. What number comes before 7? Think. I hope you said 6. All right, let's look at the last one. So if we start here, all we have to ask ourselves is what number comes before 6? Think. Did you say 5? All right, now we're going to go back to the beginning of the pattern and see if it makes sense. Ready? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Does it sound right? It sure does. If we kept going, we could have gotten all the way to 1 and then blast off. So good job with our pattern today. All right, time to do our coin cup. But first, let's talk about the coin we're working with today. What is the name of this coin? Think. Right, it's the penny. And how much is the penny worth? Think. 1 cent. Very good. All right, so when we count our pennies, that'll also tell us, not only will it tell us how many pennies we have, but it also tells how much money we have. So count with me as we put them in the coin cup. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So how many pennies do we have? Right, 11, which tells us we have how much money? 11 cents. So I can't forget the cent symbol, which is the C, with the line going straight down. Very good.